So I'll be showing you how to use this soap to brighten your skin, lighten your skin, and whiten your skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video is a requested video. Someone requested I make a video on how to activate your Cottage Fresh black soap. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to activate your Cottage Fresh black soap to get 2 to 4 shades lighter skin tone. So I'll be showing you how to use this soap to brighten your skin, lighten your skin, and whiten your skin. So if you're interested, you should just keep on watching. So before I tell you guys how to promix or activate the black soap into a more effective soap, I'll be doing a mini review and I'll be showing you how to identify the original one or differentiate the Ghana made from the Nigerian made one. So let's jump right into it. So the name of this product is actually Cottage Fresh Ghana Alata Samina Pure Soap. So that is what is written on it. And they wrote original by the side. So that is the name of this particular soap. Is a pure natural black soap. So if you open up the soap, this is what it looks like. Okay, like I've used this particular soap. Okay, that's to be able to do this video and tell you guys what I think about the soap. It's a semi-solid soap. It has this semi-solid texture. Okay, nice scent actually. Like the scent is not that harsh. It's a pure scented black soap and it lathers very well. It's formulated with pure natural ingredients, so it's very suitable for all skin types. So even if you're dark, fair, chocolate, you can actually use this particular soap. Okay, it doesn't lighten the skin, it's just the super toner that brightens up your skin and gives you that glow effect on your skin with consistent use. So this particular soap will not lighten or whiten your skin. It doesn't do that. It's just going to brighten up your skin, give your skin that fresh look. Okay, make your skin feel fresh, look fresh, and glow. Okay, that's what this soap does. It tones the skin with time. This particular soap, you just have to be consistent if you want to see the toning effect. So to know the original of this Cottage Fresh black soap, when you open the inside, the full inside have a nylon seal, have a full nylon seal cover, while the fake one just have a tiny nylon covering it. Then another way to differentiate the fake of this from the original is the original one comes with a barcode that when you scan it, it takes you to Cottage Fresh website. Okay, while the fake one doesn't have that barcode attached to it. So those are the two ways that you can differentiate your Cottage Fresh Ghana made soap from the Nigerian made one. Okay, so the Ghana made black soap is more active. Okay, this Cottage Fresh soap is sold at the price of 2,000 naira. Depending on where you're getting it from, you can get it at the cost of 1,500. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to activate this soap to be more effective and give you that brighter, lighter, and whiter skin tone. So if you want to use this particular Cottage Fresh black soap or any soap to lighten or brighten or whiten your skin, you need to understand one thing, and that is majority of the soaps are alkaline in nature. They have a pH level of 7 to 9. So any soap that exceeds the pH of 9 will definitely strip your skin of its moisture. It will make your skin get dry as the value increases. So you don't want your soap to exceed that pH level of 7 to 9 after promixing it. So this particular Cottage Fresh black soap has a pH level of 7, so it's not that stripping on the skin. So if you want to activate it or promix it, you need something that is acidic in nature to make it mildly acidic in order to protect our skin barrier. So that is basically one thing you should have in mind when promixing any soap. So the first recipe I'll be dropping with you, if you're dark skin and you want to activate this particular black soap into a more active brightening and glowing soap. So if you're dark skin and you want to activate this particular black soap to a glowing soap that will brighten and glow your skin, just to brighten up your complexion and not lighten you in any way, you should just add 3 tablespoons of your turmeric powder into this particular black soap. So all you have to do is to take out this black soap from its container, put it in a clean bowl, then add 3 spoons of your turmeric powder into this particular black soap and mix it properly. Okay, so you want to wear a hand glove while mixing this because turmeric powder actually stains the skin. So you want to wear a hand glove while mixing this particular soap. Okay, so mix it properly and put it back into the container. Like, the mixture will brighten up your skin and add that shiny glowing effect to your skin with consistent hues. Okay, it's going to brighten up your skin and make your dark skin or chocolate skin to shine very well. Okay, if you want to use this particular soap to lighten up your skin, so the second recipe I'll be showing you is how to activate it into a more lightening soap that will lighten your skin 2 to 3 shades. So if you want to use this particular Cottage Fresh black soap to lighten up your skin, I get that 2 shades or 3 shades lighter skin tone, you want to promix it with this particular whitener oil. I just brought the container to show you guys, like I've used this already. I used it to promix this particular soap for a client. Yeah, she wanted a lightening soap. So if you want to use this to promix your lightening soap, like, this particular oil is a lightening oil. It contains beta-carotene and fruit acids. So this particular whitener oil will lighten your skin on its own. Like, it's a very nice lightening oil that will lighten your skin so well. So this particular oil and your Cottage Fresh black soap is all you need to activate this Cottage Fresh black soap into a lightening soap that will lighten your skin 2 to 3 shades. So all you have to do is to take 70% of your Cottage Fresh soap and add 30% of your whitener oil to it. Mix it properly in a bowl. It's a semi-solid soap, so do not add too much of your oil into the soap. Okay, you want to properly measure out your oil because this is a semi-solid soap. So if you add too much oil to it, it might turn into a liquid and you don't want that. After activating this particular soap with your whitener oil, it's going to lighten your skin. It's going to give you that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. Like, you will see the effect. It's going to be very active on your skin. Like, the potency is going to be mad. Okay, like, I actually promixed it for a client and she really loves it a lot. So the third recipe I'll be showing you is how to activate your Cottage Fresh black soap into an effective whitening black soap. So if you want your Cottage Fresh black soap to whiten your skin and give you that 3 to 4 shades lighter skin tone, all you'll be needing to activate your Cottage Fresh black soap is your Cottage Fresh soap, then carrier oil of your choice. But I would suggest not using coconut oil if you'll be using your soap on your face. Do not use coconut oil as your carrier oil. You can use almond oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, any other oil, but do not use coconut oil. So you can use any carrier oil of your choice and skin-free milk serum or concentrate. So these are the 3 ingredients that you'll be needing in order to activate your Cottage Fresh black soap into a more effective whitening black soap. Okay, so using those 2 ingredients to premix your black soap will so whiten up your skin like magic. So if you cannot access skin free milk serum, you can use any other serum. I actually have a video on some concentrates that are very nice on the skin that will lighten up your skin or whiten up your skin. So I will link them up here for you guys. So just in case you cannot find skin free milk serum, you can use any other concentrate that is accessible to you. So one thing you should take note of is if you're using any concentrate or serum to promix or activate your black soap, you want to add a carrier oil alongside, because these serums or concentrates, they can be drying on the skin. So the actual measurements you'll be needing for this is 1 full container of your Cottage Fresh black soap into 20% of skin free milk and 10% of your carrier oil. So all you have to do is to mix these 3 ingredients properly in a bowl and pour it back into the container. Use it to wash your skin like in the morning and at night. You will whiten up your skin like magic. Okay, this is what most of these organic skincare sellers promix. They will tell you this soap will whiten your skin without even using any cream and all that. So that is it on how to activate your Cottage Fresh black soap to get 2 to 4 shades lighter skin tone. So this particular soap will so whiten and lighten and brighten your skin. So that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.